Today's lesson is on mathematical word problems, which can be translated into mathematical equations or expressions, and then if they're equations, they can be solved. And here in this chart are some phrases and sentences that would go along with some operations and some symbols here, and some example expressions as well, and equations. But we remember that it could be more, it could be different than this as well. Like, for example, with addition here, they've used plus, add, increase, greater than, larger, augment. But another word that is used for addition is the sum. So the sum of always means addition as well. Here, subtraction, so subtract, minus, negative, decrease, less than, reduce, diminish. So the one I see that's missing here is the difference. Anytime we say the difference between, we're talking about subtraction. Multiplication, some words used for multiplication, so times, of, and multiply. We also know product. The product of means multiplication as well. The next one is division. Divided goes into a certain number of parts. Another word I could see as division is each. Anytime we see the word each, it usually means division. Equal sign, equal, equal to, is, results in, gives you, makes. Here we just have a list of letters, and letters always represent variables, so it could be whatever the variable represents in the context of the phrase. So it could be a number, an age, a quantity, a mass, a volume, a certain amount. Here we have 7x, and like we've talked about in algebra, is anytime you have a number and a variable together, it always means multiplication. So 7 times a number times 7. N plus 6. So n, again, is the variable. It's plus 6. So it's a number. It could be a number increased by 6. It could be 6 larger than a number. So it is important the order you are writing your expressions in. Otherwise, when you have to solve them, it could turn out to be wrong. T minus 9 here, it's a number decreased by 9. 9 less than a number reduced by 9. So it's not 9 minus t. It is very important that you've written it in the right order. It's t minus 9. The next one is an equation, because we do have the equal sign. It's 4 times a number. So 4 times a number, that would be 4x, plus 7. Plus 7, and it equals 8. So 4x plus 7 equals 8. The next one here is x times x, which is x squared. Anytime you have a number multiplied by itself, you can start using exponents. So there's 2 x's here, so it's x to the power of 2. So a statement would be a number times itself, or a number squared. The number 2 here means squared. All right, so we have a couple examples here to try. The first one is 6 less than triple a number is 9. So when we say triple a number, we know like double a number would be times 2. So triple a number, you would be multiplying by 3. So we have to first state a variable. So let's just use x as our variable. So we have x. And 6 less than triple a number. So triple the number first, that would be 3x. So 3x is what we have. Then we also know that there's 6 less than triple a number. So it has to be 3x minus 6. All right, and then we also know is 9. So when it says is, we know that we have to use our equal sign. So equals 9. So now look at it. and read it back and see if it makes sense. So 6 less than triple a number. Yep, 6 less, so minus 6, triple the number, and it's equal to 9. So that works. All right, so here we have 15 times a number. So we know it has to be 15 times a number. So use another variable here. So just going to use x. So that's 15 times the number. We've got that part down. 15 times a number less 7. So that means we're subtracting 7 from the 15x. And then it's equal to 30. So the expression or the equation would look like this. All right, so we get 4 when we subtract 15 from twice a number. So twice a number is basically 2x, because twice a number means 2 times the variable. And then we also know when we subtract 15 from twice a number, so it's 2x minus 15 like that. And we get 4, meaning the result is equal to 4. So 2x minus 15 equals 4. Read it to yourself again. We get 4. Yep. When we subtract 15, we subtracted 15 from twice a number. Twice a number is 2x.